Hello and welcome to Safety Restore. So if you're looking for a seatbelt repair like module reset service, we got you covered. So if you work with salvage cars or maybe you've been in an accident, now your airbag light is on, your seatbelts are locked, and you probably tried the dealer, it cost a lot of money, and you're looking to save. So Safety Restore, what we do here is we repair locked and blown seatbelts, mostly after accident, for a fraction of the price of buying new. If you go on the services we offer right here, we do have single stage seatbelts starting at $64.99, dual stage seatbelts at $99.99, and triple stage seatbelts at $114.99. The cost is per repair per seatbelt, and the difference between single, dual, and triple stage seatbelts is basically how many gas charges the seatbelt has. As you can see, let's just go on this seatbelt repair service. As you can see, single stage seatbelt has one plug, one wire plug right here. A dual stage seatbelt has two wire plugs. It kind of actually has two parts most of the time, either a pre-tensioner, like an anchor, as you can see here, and then the retractor with a separate one. And then there's triple stage seatbelts that have usually two wire plug connectors on the actual retractor, and then the wire plug connector right there, which is the anchor pre-tensioner. We repair all of those. We use 100% OEM parts. Everything's done in 24 hours or less. And of course, lifetime warranty. That's what we're known for. So with Safety Restore, all you have to do is go online, safetyrestore.com, choose the service you need. We also do custom color seatbelts, dog chewed seatbelt webbing replacement, and just regular frayed, old, and cut and ripped seatbelts. So say we need an airbag module reset service. Add it to your cart. Continue shopping. Let's get two seatbelts here. Continue shopping. And then let's say we want to get some custom color seatbelts. So we can upgrade our boring black seatbelts to Ferrari red. Bam, and let's do two of those. So as you can see here, we have an airbag module reset service, two seatbelt repairs, and two custom color seatbelt webbing replacements. Go through the easy checkout process, pay, and check out. All you'd have to do after that is mail in your seatbelts to us. We get them, repair them in 24 hours, and send them right back to you. We also just added a cluster repair service. So if you have a GM cluster that is failing, your speedometer is not working, gauges aren't working, we do that as well. Mail it in, we get it. That's pretty much it. If you're trying to save money, if you're a salvage rebuilder, or maybe just a person who got into an accident and now your airbag's light on, your seatbelts are locked, maybe your airbag's deployed, we can save a lot of money for you by getting your seatbelts repaired, your module reset, and everything restored back to safety. SafetyRestore.com.